Hey YouTube creators, ever wondered how well your channel is actually performing? In this video, I'll show you how to measure your real engagement with a tool that breaks down views, subs, likes, and comments, all into easy to understand ratios. It's called the YouTube Views Ratio Calculator, and it's perfect for tracking your growth, optimizing content, and beating the algorithm. We all check our view counts, but numbers alone don't tell the full story. Are those views turning into subscribers? Are your subscribers actually watching your content? And what about engagement? Are people liking, commenting, or just scrolling away? That's where ratios come in. With the right metrics, you'll know which videos are converting the best, whether your subscribers are active or passive, how engaged your audience really is. Let me introduce the YouTube Views Ratio Calculator. It's super simple. You just plug in your numbers, views, subs, likes, comments, and the tool instantly calculates useful ratios like views to subs, subs to views, likes to views, comments to views, subscriber view ratio. Are your subs actually watching? Alright, let's run through an example. Say I have a video with 15,000 views, 800 likes, 250 comments, 3,000 subscribers. I enter those into the calculator, and here are the results. Views to subs. This tells me how many views I got for each sub. A higher number means more visibility, but maybe less conversion. Subs to views. This shows what percentage of my subs actually watch this video. If that number is low, maybe I didn't hook them with the title or thumbnail. Likes to views. This is a great measure of how engaging or entertaining the content was. A low like ratio might mean the video didn't land with viewers. Comments to views. Comments take effort. So this ratio reveals how interactive and invested my audience is. Ratio of views from subscribers. This one tells me if the people who already follow me are actually watching my new stuff. Super helpful for retention insights. You can use this data to identify your top converting videos and reverse engineer why they work. Understand whether your content strategy is attracting loyal viewers or just casual clicks. Spot opportunities for improving titles, thumbnails, and calls to action. Track your performance over time. Try entering these numbers weekly or monthly to see progress or decline, or even compare two videos side by side. Which one did better per subscriber? Want to improve these ratios? Here are a few tips. Ask viewers to comment with a specific question. More comments equals more interaction. Use end screens and pinned comments to drive subscriptions. Keep your content tight and value packed so people stick around and like. Test different titles and thumbnails to increase click-through from subscribers. And always, respond to comments to keep the engagement going. So if you want to take your YouTube analytics beyond just views, head over to the YouTube Views Ratio Calculator. Link is in the description below. Use it every time you upload to keep your content strategy smart, focused, and data-driven. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your highest performing video. I'd love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.